In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Instagram. We'll start right from your Shopify admin homepage. Make sure you're logged in with a staff role that can install apps, because you'll need the right permissions to proceed. On the left sidebar, look for Apps. Beneath it, click Add, and then choose Shopify App Store. This opens the official marketplace where you can safely find and install integrations that work with your store. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Instagram feed. You'll see several options that pull your Instagram content into Shopify. Take a moment to glance at ratings, recent reviews, and pricing details, and choose a reputable app that fits your needs. Most apps offer a free plan or trial, which is great for testing. Once you've picked the Instagram feed app you want, click through to its page so you can review the features and screenshots. When you're confident, proceed. Next, click Install. Shopify will show you exactly what the app can access, such as reading products or managing app-embedded blocks. Review these permissions carefully and confirm to continue. If the app has any charges, you'll see them before you accept. Otherwise, you'll go straight into the installation flow. Before you connect anything, make sure you have an Instagram business or professional account. This is important because only business or professional profiles can use Instagram's official API to display your feed in Shopify. It also helps if your Instagram is public and ideally connected to a Facebook page, since many apps use Meta's login to authorize access. Once installation finishes, the app will open inside your Shopify admin and guide you through connecting Instagram. Typically, you'll click a connect or login button, sign in with the correct Instagram credentials, grant the requested permissions, and then confirm which account or page to link. The app will usually preview your feed so you can verify that it's pulling the right posts. From there, you'll be able to choose how your feed appears on your storefront, things like grid layout, number of posts, or whether to show captions right within the app settings. If something doesn't connect the first time, double-check you're signed into the right Instagram profile in your browser, temporarily disable pop-up blockers, and confirm your account is set to business or professional. After saving your settings, publish your changes, and your Instagram content will be ready to display on your store. That's it. You've installed an Instagram feed app from the Shopify App Store and set yourself up to connect your Instagram business account for a seamless auto-updating feed on your site.